Hello all. In this lecture, we'll discuss about fitting of a curve of the form y is equal to a into e to the power bx, which is an exponential curve. To fit a curve, first we have to resolve the equation y is equal to a into e power bx in terms of equation of a straight line. For that, consider y is equal to a into b e to the power bx. Taking logarithms to the base e on both sides, we get log e to base y is equal to, here I am taking log e to base y is equal to log e to base a plus bx log e to base e. This is all. When we take log of a into e power bx, which is in the form of log mn, is equal to log m plus log n. So that is, I've written like this, and bx into log base e to e, this is in the form of log m to the power n is equal to n log m. So this I've written log y to the base e is equal to log a to base e plus bx log e to base e is equal to 1. Now log y, I've taken capital Y, log a to base E I've taken capital A, and this B I've taken capital B, small x I've taken capital X. So where this is what the explanation I've given, capital Y is equal to log Y to base E, capital A is equal to log A to base E, capital B is equal to small b, capital X is equal to small x. Now this equation is a straight line. This is a equation of a straight line, and we know that how to write a normal equation for this. So taking summation, here summation y is equal to n into a plus b into summation x. B into summation x. Now multiplying by x, we get summation xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. Now we'll move to next slide. Solving these, we obtain capital A and capital B. But capital A we have taken as log A to base E. So which implies we required small a, because we need to fit a best curve in the form of y is equal to small a into e to the power small bx. So small a is equal to e to the power a, and also small b is equal to b. Now this will be clear by one example. We'll discuss with one example. Let me take one example as fit a curve which is in the form of y is equal to a into e power bx for the following data. This question is asked, has been asked June 17th. So now these are the data which is given. X is 5 for y is equal to 133, x is 6, y is 55, 7, 23, 8, 7, 9, 2, 10, 2. Now first consider y is equal to a into e power bx. Taking log on both sides, we get log e to base y is equal to log e to base a plus bx into log e to base e, but log e to base e is equal to 1, and this equation we converted in terms of y is equal to a plus, this must be plus a plus bx, which is a straight line. The associated normal equations are as follows. That is, taking summation y is equal to multiplying n into a plus b into summation x. Now for this, multiplying by small x, this will get summation xy is equal to n into n will be changing into summation x because we are multiplying by small x. So summation x plus b into summation x square. Here n is equal to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N must be, this must be 6. Therefore, the relevant table for the required normal equations are x, y, which is a given data, and to substitute to the normal equation, we required capital Y, and capital Y, we know that capital Y is equal to log y to base e. Then in the normal equation, we required summation xy, for that x into y table, x into capital Y and small x square. So first we have to find capital Y, that is log y to base e. This is very important, that base is e, and multiplying x into y, and we obtain the table. And after that we have to find what is summation x. Adding all this value we get summation x, adding all this value we get summation of capital Y, adding all this value we get summation xy, and adding all this value we get summation x square. Now substituting these values in the normal equation, this is our normal equation, substituting here, and the normal equation will become 6a, because n is equal to 6, datas are 6. 6a plus 45b is equal to 15.3652. 45a plus 355b is equal to 99.1799. Now we'll solve this equation manually, we can solve, or we can use a calculator. By using calculator, we get A is equal to, capital A is equal to 9.4433, and small b is equal to minus of 0.9177. Now we have to fit a best curve in the form of y is equal to a small a into e power bx. So we need small a. So capital A is equal to log a to base e, which implies a small a is equal to e to the power a. Now substituting e to the power 9.433 is equal to this value we can get by calculator, 12,623.3. Substituting the value of small a, substituting the value of small b, in the given form y is equal to small a into e power bx, and thus this is the required best fit of a curve y is equal to a into e to the power bx. Thank you.